Right, Norby video, saw this Tifon Padlock. I think it's probably 50mm. It's there's a bidding on the key, so we can get this focus for you. I got this lock off bill, must be, I don't know, a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago. It works great. It's probably got, I think it's got about four spools on it, but they're big deep spools. A decent wee lock this. So this, I've tried bypassing it, but you can only get one side on it, so I'll try and pick it here, see what I have a go. Alright. False set. Don't know if you can see this or not, like, but lost a false, or it was on pin 1. There we go. If you want to see Bosnianbill pick this lock, it'll be down there in the. I'll put a wee link to his channel down there if I'm picking this. There's a bid in there. Decent wee lock. I like this one. So I do. Not compared to some of the crap I've been picking. But as he buys, see you there.